Jackeline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you a day to night look using the brand new collaboration between Nudestix and ALLANA DAVISON. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to see all the details about this collaboration, my reviews, swatches, and a day to night look, then just keep on watching. I have mentioned to you before that I get also influenced by various other creators here on YouTube. Obviously those big creators, and one of them is ALLANA DAVISON. In fact, I have mentioned her several times here on my YouTube channel, and in fact in one video that I did, I think it was perhaps 4 or even 6 months ago, I don't know, I'm losing track of time here, but I actually made a video of products that I have bought upon recommendation of influencers that I actually follow them, that I really trust on their judgment and opinion, and one of them is ALLANA DAVISON. So I watch her every time that she uploads a video, no matter what. She usually does her uploads later on in the evening, at least for me that I live in USA. She's in Canada. I mean, the time difference, I think it's none or perhaps just a couple hours. Anyhow, and she revealed not too long ago her collaboration with Nudestix, and I went ahead and purchased it, and I'm super happy because I got it finally. It took a little bit of time, but it's right here. And in fact, right now this set is available at several retailers like Sephora, Ulta. I mean, I've seen it in various retailers, so I will be leaving all the links on the description box below, along with everything that I'm wearing today. You know the drill right here. But yes, here it is. It cost me $75, but the value of this set is of $150. So I have some Nudestix products, and I mean, I started buying them since last year, and I haven't really had the chance to showcase them that much. So I thought, wow, this is the perfect kit, not only to try more products from Nudestix, but also to support ALLANA. Not that she needs my support. I mean, you know, I like her style, I like her vibe, I like how simple, you know, she comes across, yet elegant. I mean, I just like her a lot. But okay, so here we go. I'm gonna try this beautiful set. This is how it looks. There's a picture right there of her, and this set is called the Matinee to Soiree Kit. So from morning to night. So we're gonna create the morning to night look, and basically I'm just kind of follow a little bit of obviously what she did, but I'm using other products that I don't have, you know, right here, like the foundation, my bronzer today. Well, the bronzer is something that actually she suggests so much, and I love it. It is actually this one right here by Tom Ford, is the Shade and Illuminate in Intensity 1. So this is something that I bought it before she recommended it, but I mean, I wasn't like digging into it until I saw her like you know, applying it, and her makeup looks so beautiful. I'm like, okay, my friends, so here you go. So basically you just take out the little bag from the sleeve, and these products are made in Korea, which is something that I didn't know. I mean, I wasn't paying attention to that, and I like Korean products. Not only skincare, but also there's a lot of different products for makeup that I like. And it comes in this beautiful pouch makeup bag, and then you have her name right here, ALLANA. That's her signature right there, and then this is just so beautiful. Okay, so you receive, first of all, okay, let me show you. You get a little note from ALLANA. In one side is in French, and then on the other side is in English, and it says Matinee to Soiree by ALLANA Rama. I hope you all feel fabulous using my Matinee to Soiree kit, packed full with some of my favorite Nudestix products. Take your look from day to night and feel amazing for whatever you're up to this holiday season. Soirees encourage. And you know what I like about these kind of like holiday type inspired collection is I have been a little bit burned out with holiday, you know, releases, honestly. So I decided to take a couple days off, and I'm like, okay, let me start fresh, and this makes me feel fresh. It's like, okay, this is something that I'm not only going to use it for the holiday season, but I can see myself using it, you know, any time of the year. Okay, my friends, so next we receive, this is very notorious from Nudestix, their team packaging. Super cute, and there's a little stars right there. Gold, we know that she loves gold, or at least if you know her. And it comes with something that looks kind of like a mirror, but it's not a mirror. Like, you will look right there and you will be like, oh, this is distorted. So it's not really a mirror. Okay, and let me just show you inside all the products. So inside the box, you will find all these 5 sticks right here. So some of them are lipsticks, like a cheek and lip product, and another ones are eyeshadows on a stick. And there's one in particular right here that has the cap with ALLANA's signature all over, and this is a special shade that she created. So this is a creation that just comes on this kit. It's not sold, within Nudestix line. The rest of the products, it is my understanding that they exist already on the line of Nudestix. We will go over that, but this one is in the shade Sand Nudes. And I thought, okay, this is a perfect nude shade. Okay, friends, so let me just get you closer and let's start with the matinee look, because it's early morning and I need to get myself together, put some makeup on, and let's start. Okay, I got you closer now. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I'm so happy that you're here. If you don't know, well, my name is Jackeline. Hey, it's Jackeline right here. I do have 40 years old. I do have not so firm eyelids anymore. They are there. I have a lot of folds. I do have fine lines, and I do have a light to medium skin tone. I'm Latina, so I do have a different undertone, and I just really want to showcase these products to see how they look on my skin tone and how they apply on my eyelids too. So what about if we start with the eyes? I only have a little bit of concealer on and just a little bit of setting powder. So let's go first with this matte shade in Terra. This is the way it comes. Show you here on my hand too. Here you go. A very nice neutral shade. And you know what? This is the first time that I'm trying these matte crayons from Nudestix. I do have some blushes from them. Yeah, I do have, I'm looking right here because I have them right next to me. I have two of them, and I'm gonna use my BK Beauty 202 brush and just blend it all out. I'm gonna apply just a little bit more. I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my BK Beauty 203 brush. I don't have a liner for my waterline from Nudestix, so I'm just gonna jump. My favorite one is Marc Jacobs in the shade Rococo or Rococoa, whatever. Since it's a morning look, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I know this mascara is more like a nighttime look, but I'm just gonna be very, I'm not gonna do too much with it. And this is from NARS. And for my lower lashes, I'm gonna go with Thrive Cosmetics mascara. And now inside the bag also comes 2 other products right here. Sorry, I forgot to tell you at the very beginning, but here you go. It is a blush in the shade In the Nude. And let's see here. Oh, this is the brush side. And here you go. This is the shade. Beautiful. Very neutral, kind of terracotta kind of shade. This right here. It's a pretty shade right there. And then the kit also includes a highlighter in the shade Hey Honey. This is kind of like a champagne tone. Also very beautiful. I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier Cheek Color brush and just gonna grab a little. This is such a beautiful blush shade. Wow. Okay, and now I'm gonna try her lipstick. Again, this is in the shade Sand Nudes. So lovely. Beautiful nude shade. Gorgeous lipstick. But here it is, the morning look. Okay friends, so I took off the lipstick and I'm gonna try the other lipstick next, but let's go first with the eyes. So in the kit you get also this deeper brown matte shade for the eyes. Let's just put it right here. Ooh, that's a true brown, intense. It's not, I mean, like, it's a neutral brown. This is not too cool, it's not warm, I mean, like, it's a neutral brown. And the shade right here, it is called Cocoa. I'm just gonna apply it right here. And I'm using a Sigma E45 brush to blend it. Now, I guess with this one, I think I saw Alana, she did kind of like a wing line too. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try because it's hard, you have hooded eyes. And I'm gonna use a Sigma E30 brush. I'm taking it a little on my lower lash line. And I'm using the E30 brush from Sigma. And now let's go for the lipstick. And this is in the shade Royal. It's a nice red shade. So here is the one that she created. And then here's the red one. Now I know that I'm not lining my lips, but I'm just trying the products as is. Oh, and I almost forgot some highlighter right here. So this is the highlighter. Just gonna apply it here. And then for my eyes, I'm gonna go to this other stick that comes in the kit that is called Gilt. It's a beautiful champagne shade. And here you go, this is my soiree look. Okay my friends, and here it is, my final look. I mean the soiree look, the evening night look. I think it's very wearable. I think both of the looks are something that you don't only necessarily have to use it for holiday season, but year round. And I think the value is amazing because I mean, this cost me $75, but the value, I mean, if you separate all the products that they come right here, I mean, this is around $150, so you're paying half the price. So if you're trying to get into Nudestix, or if you have been wondering to, you know, try the brand, I think this is an excellent way to do it. As far as what I like, I love this blush. In the nude blush, amazing. This is awesome. I mean, it's my type of blush. Is that natural look that it still looks, you know, it's a little bit on the warmer side. It's just so pretty, but it's still, you know, like a nude tone that it goes with so many looks. And it actually, when it dries, it doesn't leave you, you know, a dewy look, but more of kind of like a matte look. And then with the glow highlighter situation, it just gives you a little bit of that radiance, but without being too much. I just really love it. And then as far as the other products, I mean, the two lippies are great. I think Alana, you did amazing. I mean, like, I'm talking to Alana, like if she will watch it, but anyhow, for you guys, she did amazing on this nude shade. I think it's gorgeous, it's neutral. It does have just a little bit of warmth into it, but not that much. It's a very wearable nude. I love they gave my lips kind of like a, you know, like a, it's a satin finish, more like a juicy finish. It just looks so pretty, like super wearable. And this is the perfect red shade. I mean, like, this is just perfection for holidays, or if you are a person that likes to wear red, I mean, you will not be disappointed. And this shade right here is a matte finish, while the one that Alana created is more of like a satin finish. So I think both of them are perfection. And then as far as the eyeshadow goes, I love Terra. This is like your neutral shade. It goes all over the lid. And I don't know if they have a different formulation than the Cocoa one, because the Cocoa one, I think it's a nice shade, but I felt like it was kind of like drying a little bit faster than Terra, so I didn't have so much opportunity to actually blend it as fast. Or it can be perhaps because I have so many folds on my eyelids that it was just a little bit harder to blend. So I would definitely suggest to go one eye at a time, at least for this shade right here. With the Terra one, I find that it was like super easy to blend right away. And then this shade Gilt, I mean, like, this is kind of like a staple champagne shade that you can use it. I mean, I use it today in my inner corner and my brow bone, kind of to follow a little what Allana has recommended. But I mean, you can use it center of your eyelid and just kind of do that, you know, center shade. I'm sure like it's just gonna look fantastic. And also, I forgot to mention, by the kit comes with this sharpener right here, a special sharpener for these type of products. So overall, I'm extremely happy with my purchase because all of these products I see me using quite a bit. So easy to use. I mean, like, whether you want to support Allana or you just want to try Nudestix and you just want to go with a simple makeup look and a kit that actually will work for the entire year, you know, it will take you from holiday, winter, you know, fall, winter time to summer, spring. I mean, all year around. I think this is an excellent product. Anyhow, my friends, I want to congratulate Allana for this collaboration with Nudestix. I mean, I think she did wonderful. And, you know, like I said, you will not be disappointed with these products. I really love my makeup. It looks very natural and effortless. Love it, completely love it. Okay, my friends, and I would love to know from you if you have gotten this collection or if you have tried Nudestix. And while you're leaving that comment, and if you haven't done so yet, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and let's grow my family on Instagram. Let's stay connected right there. On my Instagram, I show you close-up of the products that I have hauled, that I'm reviewing, other products as well, and much more. And it's a great way again to stay connected because it is my understanding that YouTube has stopped or is stopping to send phone notifications of, you know, when your favorite creators are uploading a new video. I think they are keeping the email notifications. I mean, it's kind of weird, and for me, I have a very small channel, so I think it will be a great way to stay connected if you follow me on Instagram, and that way we can, you know, just grow our family there too. Okay, my friends, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.